Namaste. Welcome to day 17 of our 30-day Carnatic Revision Challenge based on Sangeeta Balapadam Book 1. Today's lesson, Geetham 4, Padmanabha. In this revision, we'll sing only the Sahityam in first and second speeds. If you would like to revise the swaras of all Geethams, check out my Geetham course. I have added the playlist link below. Let's begin. Sa re ma pa dha sa sa dha pa ma ga re sa sa re ma pa dha sa sa dha pa ma ga sa Padmanabha Parama Purusha Param Jyoti Swarupa Vitura Vimala Charita Vihangati Rohana Udadi Nivasa Muragasayana Mahima Yatu Kulotama Yajna Rakshaka Yajna Sikshaka Ramanama Padmanabha Parama Purusha Vibhishana Palaka Namo Namo Yibhavaradhayaka Namo Namo Subhaprada Sumanora Surendra Manoram Channa Abhinava Purandara Vitalla Ballare Ramanama Padmanabha Parama Purusha Padmanabha Parama Purusha Param Jyoti Swarupa Vitura Vandya Vimala Charita Vihangati Rohana Udadi Nivasa Muragasayana Unnatonata Mahima Yatu Kulotama Yajna Rakshaka Ajna Sikshaka Ramanama Vibhishana Palaka Namo Namo Vibhavaradhayaka Namo Namo Subhaprada Sumanora सुरेन्द्रमनोरञ्जना अभिनवपुरन्दर विठल्लभल्लरे रामनाम पतुमनाभा Paramapurusha. That completes Day 17, Geetham 4, Padmanabha. Tomorrow we'll move to Day 18, Geetham 5. Keep practicing daily to strengthen your voice, rhythm and clarity. Comment where you are joining from and subscribe to continue your 30-day Carnatic journey. Thank you.